Hello everyone, my name is Vans. Today I want to share my experience working with AIV. As a Bachelor's of Computer Application student, I just completed creating my dashboard with AIV. For those who might not know, AIV is an amazing platform for data visualization and analytics. It is incredibly powerful and user friendly, which made it an excellent choice for my project creation. AIV is a very easy to work and to create a dashboard with just few clicks. I could connect to various data sources, clean the data and generate insights visualizations. It will also helpful for making data driven decisions. AIV offers many robust features. It offers drag and drop functionality. I could easily customize charts, apply filters and many more. AIV made my data presentation truly stand out. Overall experience working with AIV has been incredibly positive. Highly recommended to anyone who is interested in data analytics. So we can start by going to this page. So here we are at the AIV login page. The interface is clean and straightforward, which made easy to start. Let me log in and show you around. Here is a quick overview of a dashboard. You can connect to various data sources to create a data visualization. Using AIV, you can take any data like Excel, Google Sheets, MySQL, CSV, and many more data sources, or even paste the data directly with the help of a drop and drag function supported in AIV. I worked on several projects during my program with AIV. Let's take a look at this project where I analyzed the sales data. Is the data which I used for creating my dashboard, which has 8 columns: brand, model, type, gender, size, color, material, and price. Let me show you that data. This is the page where you make projects. The canvas where you make the charts or visualize will appear, and at the left hand panel where this function we use to make charts and change things or make functionalities. For example, you use the this chart option for creating a chart. You use this card option for creating a KPIs. At the top, there are key performance indicator, which is also called as KPIs, providing the quick snapshot of the key matrices. We have these charts that break down the data into more detailed insights. We can also add images like this with the help of this function. You can simply copy any image and paste it here to add an image to dashboard. Let's understand the dashboard first. Here we have the products available, total brands available, total sales, average price, and many more. The total brands available, this KPI shows the number of different brands in our dataset. The product, this KPI indicates the total number of products. Total sales, this represents the total sales revenue. And this average price, this KPI shows the average price of the product. Let's understand the charts. The product count by brand bar is a bar chart, shows that the number of products available of each brand. Product by color, it breaks down the product by color. Price distribution by brand is a pie chart that shows how prices are distributed across the brand. Let's say Nike has the highest price, followed by the Adidas and the Reebok. The shoe count by gender shows there are more men shoe than the women shoe in the inventory. Lastly, we have the shoe count by shoe type. Area is a area chart. Chart shows the highest count followed by the sketches and walking shoes. If I click on the Adidas, it loads the data of all Adidas products and it related data, and same goes with the other brands. And that's a quick overview of KPI and charts that I used in my project while working with the AIV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such tech related content. Thanks for watching.